I found a $30 Odyssey putter and I'm planning on selling it double the price. I came across a $30 Odyssey white hot. So my plan is to remove the grip and put on this black and red detailed Odyssey this jumbo grip of the same colors. So for the Odyssey, we're going to bring back its sole to its original mirror shine. Odyssey White Hot with a brand new color assorted jumbo grip. I will post this for $90, but we'll accept anything above $70. Stick around and we'll see how much they go for. Well, it sold for $55, which is much less than I wanted. I spent 30 minutes on this putter, bringing us to a $50 hourly wage, which is our minimum. So even though I thought I would make much more, I still consider this a successful flip. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time for our next flip.